Hi guys, I am Soumya Acharya and today I'm going to be giving you 6 tips to keep your brain healthy. So let's get started. Changes to our brain and body are normal as we age. However, there are few things that we could do to help slow and decline in our memory. Also, we could reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease or other dementias. So what are the things that we could do to keep our brain healthy? Do you want to know? Tip number 1. Get sufficient mental stimulation. Studies have shown that brainy activities lead to the development of new connections between our nerve cells and also helps in the generation of new cells, which is called as neuroplasticity. Just like we exercise to strengthen our body and tone up ourselves, physically, our brain also requires some form of exercise. And this exercise can be sought through mental stimulation activities, which could be something like learning and development, which could be something like reading, doing some craft activity or involving yourself in any creative activity like writing, drawing, painting, etc. So the more you keep your brain active and keep your brain stimulated, the more effective your brain would function. Tip number 2. Get physical exercise. Exercise has always been beneficial both for our brain as well as for our body. Multiple research has shown that people who are physically active have lower chances of developing mental disorders like Alzheimer's or other dementia, and also they have a very low risk of having a decline in their mental functions. This is because it increases tiny blood vessels. It increases in the number of tiny blood vessels, which supplies oxygen-rich blood to the region of our brain, which is responsible for our thoughts. Exercises also help in developing new neuronal connections and also develops new nerve cells, which is called as neuroplasticity, like I discussed in my previous point. Exercise also helps us to reduce cholesterol level, reduce the BP, balances our sugar level, and also reduces our mental stress, which in fact is kind of very beneficial for both our body as well as our heart as well as our brain. Tip number 3. Improve your diet. Good nutrition is beneficial for your body as well as your brain. People who eat a diet which emphasizes on fruits, vegetables, nuts, unsaturated oil and plant source of protein are less likely to develop any sort of cognitive impairment and dementia. Omega fatty acids, which is found in olive oil and chia seeds, is required along with other healthy fats and antioxidants are also required for the functioning of our cells in our body, which decreases coronary artery disease, which increases our mental focus and also slows cognitive decline in our older adults. We need to start avoiding tobacco in all forms and also stop abusing alcohol. Excessive drinking is one of the major reasons for developing dementia. But still, if you choose to drink, limit yourself for 1 or 2 drinks a day. Tip number 4. Get plenty of sleep. Sleep plays a very important role in our brain health. Our body repairs, grows and produces new cells when we are asleep. Our pituitary gland produces a growth hormone which is responsible for the repairment and rejuvenation of our body cells and also helps in our growth, which explains why we feel rejuvenated and refreshed after a good night's sleep. On the other hand, when we are sleep deprived, we usually tend to be moody, lethargic, demotivated, as well as cranky. Sleep also helps in building up our immunity system, and it helps in fighting off small issues like common cold to major serious chronic issues like cancer. Studies have shown that when we are sleep deprived, our body produces fewer infection fighting antibodies in our body, and the chances of a person who is sleep deprived of catching a cold is huge, and the vaccines that is going to be injected in his body outside through external factors are going to be very less effective if that person has low quality of sleep. So ensure you get at least 6 to 7 hours of quality sleep. Tip number 5. Improve concentration and avoid distraction. You could improve your concentration by focusing on a particular desired object or a candle, if maybe, and you really focus on that particular object for 5 minutes to start with, and slowly increase the duration over a period of time. Avoid multitasking and be mindful of any activity that you do. For example, do not watch TV while you're eating, or do not check your phone while you're talking to someone. Provide your undivided attention to any activity that you're doing, which will help you to stay focused and improve your concentration. Meditation is also a very good practice to stay focused and improve your concentration. I recommend you meditate at least for 15 minutes a day. If 15 minutes is too much for you to start with 5 minutes every day and make it a habit, and slowly increase the duration over a period of time. Meditation helps you to calm yourself down, calms your body as well as your mind, and in the longer run, it definitely helps to improve your brain health. Tip number 6. Stay socially involved. Strong social connections are associated with lower risk of dementia, lower blood pressure, and also it helps in longer life expectancy. So it is essential that you start focusing on your social connections and involve in building deep connections, which will help you feel rejuvenated and refreshed. Try out these tips and let me know if these tips have helped you by commenting in the section below. And if you have liked the video, please give me a thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting on the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.